I'm here at my open house. We are 9 minutes away from beginning. There are already people waiting outside for me. They were there when I pulled up, so that's really good. I'm at 266 Cranberry Meadow Road in Berwick. If you are coming from Worcester Road, you come right to the end on Cranberry Meadow, take a right, and it's the second house on the left. I put a sign out and I put 2 balloons out, but the balloons had popped. I heard them pop as I was walking in the door, so there are no balloons there. But yeah, I'll be here till 2, I'll actually be here till 2:30, so feel free to swing by. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the property. So I'm actually upstairs in the loft, looking down into the living room. I love these huge windows. So really beautiful mature plantings on this property. The former owner was a master gardener. We've got a full bathroom up here. And then this is a cute little nook up here also. It would probably be a really good spot to have like a computer, like a nice little area for a home office that wouldn't be obtrusive and take up an entire room. So you've got a bedroom here. Again, I love the style of windows in this house and the size of them. Like they're just really neat, oversized windows. I've got another bedroom here. And then that leads to over the garage. People are coming. They still have a few minutes, but they're coming. They're very excited. So, all right, I'm gonna go razzle dazzle them with my knowledge of the Berwick real estate market. And hey, if you're on the market for a 3-bedroom house, come see me.